We are going to use brown top millet, bajra which is pearl millet, and whole wheat flour, all three separately, to make paranthi or Indian stuffed bread. Since daikon and carrot is in season, we are going to use both of them together. This is also a good way to have children enjoy this vegetable. Start with grating both of them and then mix them up. Chop some green chilies, ginger and onion, and use the leaves of the daikon as well as radish and cilantro. So this is all chopped up finely, ready to be added to the grated mix. Now add some black pepper and salt to taste, as well as half a teaspoon of carom seeds and cumin seeds each. And then mix everything up well. Try a little bit of this mixture to make sure it tastes good. This is a cup of brown top millet flour that has been soaked and dried and ground. That is pearl millet, and this is whole wheat flour. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flax meal to both the millet flours. This adds nutritional value plus helps bind the whole mixture together. Mix the whole thing well, and now add a few scoops of this daikon carrot mix into all the 3 flours. You will see that the salt has actually released the water from the daikon, and we're going to use this water to actually knead the stuffing into the dough. Distribute the mixture equally between all the 3 flours and knead it with your hands. It will be a 5-minute process. All 3 are now ready to be rolled out into bread. We'll start with the wheat. I'm going to put some additional salt and carom seeds and roll it out till it is ready to go on the heated skillet. Flip every 15 to 20 seconds, spread some ghee and cook till it's ready. Now we're going to move to the millets. Make even sized balls from the dough and spread each ball directly on the heated skillet, and don't worry, it's not going to burn your hands. So that was brown top in the front, and now I'm going to actually spread out the bajra or the pearl millet on the other skillet. Keep patting and spreading till it spreads no more. After about a minute or so, use a spatula to flip it and cook the other side. If you feel reluctant to use your hands all the way, you can use a potato masher to spread the millet breads. The same process will be followed as we did with the wheat flour. You just keep flipping till it is cooked. Add some ghee if you like, or oil, ghani oil. Sometimes it takes a little effort to scrape and lift the bread off the skillet, and you can lessen that by making sure that the skillet is hot when you put the bread. Of course, you can even add some oil or ghee when you're making the dough or even while cooking. If you're going to eat this bread now, cook it fully, but if you are going to freeze it, and that's possible, cook it only halfway through. You can add a little ghee to the potato masher so that the dough doesn't stick to it. Repeat the process till you have finished all the dough that you have made. Poking down with a spoon like this helps in cooking it better. So there, your brown top and bajra or pearl millet paranthi is ready, and now let's take a taste. If you have some clean butter, children are going to just love it. The other way to have it is with pickle, and you can even make raita with homemade curd like I've done here. And it is as if not more tasty than wheat. Give it a try.